Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to lock WhatsApp app with password on any Android phone. Follow these easy steps to learn how to lock your WhatsApp app using Face ID, pattern or password in any Android phone. First of all, you have to update your WhatsApp app. So go to your Play Store and simply search for WhatsApp. And now if you see any update available for your WhatsApp app, go ahead and update your WhatsApp app. Once done, go ahead and launch your WhatsApp, and now tap on this menu icon at the top right, and here tap on settings. Once you are in your WhatsApp account settings page, here tap on privacy and scroll down. Under privacy settings page, here you will find this app lock option. So all you have to need, just tap on app lock, and here we can see when enabled you will need to use fingerprint, face or other unique identifiers to open WhatsApp app. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So all you have to need, just enable unlock with biometric option, and now you have to confirm your fingerprint or password or face ID and automatically lock. Here select immediately, and if you want to get message previews when your WhatsApp app is locked, you can enable it from here. Okay, now I'm going to closing WhatsApp from my background, and now I'm going to again opening WhatsApp app, and as you can see my WhatsApp app is locked. To unlock, I have to verify my fingerprint, or I can tap on use pattern, and here I can draw my phone pattern to unlock my WhatsApp app. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.